Hi ladies! Every year I like to take you through a tour of my holiday open house. So I have everything set up. Guests start arriving tomorrow. I know a lot of you have held your open houses already, but you can just save this for next year if you need ideas, or some of you that are about to have them. Hopefully this will help out. So use the same sign every year hanging on my door welcoming them so that they can come in. And then I'll show you, I just have it in a sheet protector, and on the flip side that's what it says when they leave. And so they just come in, and in my kitchen I don't have that really set up yet, but we're just gonna have punch, cookies, and candy this year, and then we'll be doing satin hands over at the sink. I'll have that set up, and then I just have everything in my dining room. So I always have a little checkout table here with all my stuff, and you see the little things down there are just little baskets that I hand them that they can shop and put products in, and they can just fill those up as they go along. Usually they end up picking up more than if I was pulling it off the shelf for them. I just pull things in my house, as you see, baskets, trays, mugs, some decorations, all that kind of stuff to make it festive. And then I empty my hutch out and put all of my products in just like a storefront so they can just shop. So I have some gift ideas in here with them. There's the hydrogel eye patches, reminding them they can get gift cards. Here's our charcoal mask with Santa approved coal. And then I wrapped my eye makeup removers really pretty and just put them on a silver tray from the dollar store. That just makes them look pretty. And pulled out my little Hawaiian Santa to advertise the sunscreen. So like I said, I just pull things that just make it fun and festive. So here is one of the gifts that it's just a body lotion in a gift box. And then I've got my sale corner over here, and I have all the things marked. So these are just all things that are being retired and extra things that I had. And I set up my, I'll just show you guys this, my Mary Kay Christmas tree. So every year as a sales director, as a Christmas gift, Mary Kay sends us an ornament, and I finally have enough to do a complete tree. So I've been doing this for a couple of years now, and some of these are ornaments that some of you have sent me in the past, or little Cadillacs and things that I find or my family finds for me. So it just makes it fun, and I just enjoy seeing it every year, but my guests love coming and seeing that too. And then more product display here. So these are the fragrances that I have that are open, that they can use as testers, satin hands. And I do always try to put the prices of all my gift sets so that they don't have to ask. I'll have candles burning just so it smells good when they come in here. And then here's more product that I have for them. And then I have my specials listed. So this year I'm doing buy more, save more, based on the size of their order. And then we'll take you over to my table, more trees. I just put a strand of twinkle lights around every year. I do this when I go to my holiday parties that I do too. It just shows off the product really nice. And I don't know, just makes it look better. So that's like a little tip for you there. And so I got the boosters over here. I do have signs reminding them that they can use a credit card because they will always spend more. And then just some of the gift sets, and I will show these all on Wednesday. Those were the hydrating masks that I still have a ton of. So selling those as stocking stuffers. These are the little lipstick containers. A lot of these gifts are gifts you've already seen. As you can see, I've got the prices already marked on them. And I did Dawn's idea with the pizza box. There's a hand cream in that. I jazzed up my Indulge Eye Gel. That's a little spa box. More eye makeup remover micellar water. These are some little pretty bags that I found that can do a gift set. Then I took all of my liquid eye colors that I had left and turned those into snowflake ornaments. So those will just, that's all I've got left. So it's first come, first serve. I'm doing a new special this year, trying this out so that I sell more gifts. One of you had given me this idea: buy 2 gifts and get the third of equal or lesser value at half price. So we'll see how that goes. Then I've got my body care here so they can pick from that. A lot of times I just set out stuff to remind them that they need those things. Mascaras. So I always sell a ton of mascaras and a ton of, I think you saw the lip glosses. I put those in a mug this year. Sometimes I put them in a crystal candy dish. Always sell a ton of those because they see them and then they remember. Is my pro palette of testers so we can play. And then I always set up a PlayStation here. So this is where they'll sit and try new products. So we've got the new gel cream blushes, the new waterproof mascara. These will be open, the eye compacts, so it'll look real pretty on I just found this fall charger at like the dollar store. I think that shows those off nicely. So I'll have that all opened, reminding them of our brush set. There's samples of the liquid eye so they can try samples of the new cream stick pencils for them to try. So I just try to showcase on my play table things I want them to see and try. So we're going to talk to everybody about the new Clinical Solutions products, the new retinol and the barrier restore. I'll also have out my dynamic wrinkle filler, but that's in my bathroom right now, but that'll be out here tomorrow. The eye puffy reducer, and then here's all my demo brushes here, along with some books, and I pulled out information to share with them on those new Clinical Solutions products. So I'm going to encourage everybody to try those. And again, another sign reminding them of the specials. So that's everything. Hopefully it gave you some ideas of things that you can do that maybe you haven't. And you probably saw some of your own ideas on here. So I always love when you all share that with me because it helps me have a better open house too. So thanks for watching. Any questions, just reach out. I'm happy to answer.